Alrighty, everybody, let's just create some explosions again.
Finally.
Yes.
And Jose.
Costa Rica. That make me confused.
North America. Honduras.
Yep. Honduras. We're just getting a bunch of small countries.
Yeah, man. So tiny.
Yeah, we need.
Slovakia.
Who is that?
Yes. By the smell.
Don't talk about that.
The perfume lah.
Oh, of course. Wait. I thought I locked the door?
Guess not.
Well, I guess it's. Well, my arch nemesis. Arch nemesis. Is it my arch nemesis?
Yes. Bang.
Ah, don't say that now. I said don't say that.
Why?
It's Malay.
No. Bang is like spelled B-A-N-G. Like bang.
Bang, but that's a different pronounce.
Yeah. Maybe I have an accent.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
What? Oh, please, arch nemesis. Trinidad and Tobago.
How you know?
Obviously, I know all the flags of the world.
Such a genius, my boy.
I know.
I know, wow. I like your confidence.
Trinidad.
Wait, is the mic on or not?
Yes?
Oh.
Wait, let me check. Is it on?
Wait, it's Lolo.
You just keep the microphone on.
Yes.
Alright, can you put Trinidad and Tobago inside Brazil?
Done.
Yay, Brazil! You're gonna. Is Brazil shaking?
Nope.
Okay. He's just looking up for some reason. There's no countries above him.
Petra, Jordan.
Yeah. Jordan. He looks like an arrow.
Valletta.
Malta. The 10th smallest country in the world. Well, according to today's game, is the 9th. That's weird.
South America, Dominican, Barbados, Bolivia.
Bolivia. Yep. Hey, we got the 2 B's in South America. We got the 2 B's. Uh-oh. Is that Jordan above Brazil? Is that
Yes.
okay. The question appeared.
Port Louis.
Mauritius. Okay. Still not shaky?
No.
Not even at the bottom? Where some of the countries are?
Sagrada Familia.
Spain. I'm very familiar with that.
Espanol.
Yeah. Oh, it's actually España. Espanol is actually Spanish.
Like the language.
Whoa!
Whoa!
That didn't count. Well, Bolivia just came out. Yeah, Bolivia. And some other countries and Jordan and don't even know who that was.
Caracas.
Venezuela. Uh-oh. He's the one that got jumped into the air last time.
For real? You think it's gonna happen again?
I don't know. We shall see. Well, I guess not. Oh, wait. I think so. I think we have a 30% chance that Venezuela might jump into the air.
Alright.
Maybe.
Belgrade.
Serbia. We got the Serb. We got Serb. We got Serbia.
Brandenburg Gate.
Oh, Germany. Germany we might ruined it, but
Deutschland.
yep, Deutschland. We might ruin it. Ooh. Okay, is Venezuela shaking?
No, none of them are shaking.
How is that even possible? I thought they're shaking. Here, take this. Take this, bro.
Region of Asia.
You scared?
Latvia, Eritrea, Israel, Djibouti.
Wait, what's the question?
Asia.
Asia is Israel. Why?
I was confused.
Oh. Okay. Brunei.
Brunei Darussalam.
Yeah, the Sultanate of Brunei. Sultanate of Brunei, Darussalam.
The
Darussalam.
capital is the Bandar Sri Begawan, right?
Yeah. Why?
Just asking.
You forgot?
Just
Ensure.
right.
How to describe the flag?
I know this. Nigeria.
Alright. Nigeria. See what you're gonna do. It seems like we're up to 50% chance that Venezuela might jump up. Maybe. Are they shaking a bit?
Yes.
Okay, we might get jumps going on in Zambia. Yeah. Zambia. Well, never mind. We're back. We're down to 10% chance. Huh?
Europe. Poland. Polska.
Polska. Well, they're gone already. Yes.
Charles Bridge.
Czechia. 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 Whoa, we got Poland and Czechia. Yeah, we got the two neighboring countries.
FR?
Yes. Poland and Czechia do border each other from the southwest.
Craig the Chevalier.
Syria. Oh, they're gone, I think.
China. Hey, everyone's gone. What happened?
I don't know, it's all Syria's fault. Maybe he became stronger. Maybe. Ding, 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 ding.
Blue Mosque.
Turkey!
Turkey.
Yeah, Turkey. Whoa!
The capital of Turkey is Ankara, right?
Yes, correct. It does in Istanbul. It does in Istanbul.
And my friends thought it was Istanbul.
Alright,
Yeah.
Istanbul. Istanbul.
Andorra la Vella.
Easy. But even Dora might do something special. Maybe not because it's very tiny.
Tiny.
Oh, Comoros. It's Comoros, another small one, but in Africa. And off the coast of Africa, near Madagascar. And also the French Department of Mayotte. Whoa, what is this? Is this the flag of Uzbekistan?
Yeah.
Uzbekistan. Way back in the Flags and the Elements flag video.
You know, yesterday my friend said, one of my friends asked, what's the capital of Iraq? You know what he said?
What?
Iraq.
What? That is a silly answer.
I think
Congratulations, friend.
I think if you were there, you'll be laughing. Because the answers are
Yeah, the answer is Tehran. Is it? Tehran? The capital of Iran? Yeah, this is like North Korea.
Pyongyang.
Yeah, it's not even the flag question. Alright. Oh no. Why is North Korea Why is everybody pushing China?
Singapore.
Alright, Singapore, get in there! What? It's not even country cooking. And yes, Singapore, it is tiny. And remember, I think Singapore became a flavoring or some sort of rice. Roasted chicken rice.
Zagreb.
Croatia. Croatia.
Chartres Cathedral.
France. Yeah, France. You're going inside there. Whoa! Whoa, there goes China. Just Uzbekistan, North Korea, and Turkey, eh?
North America. Panama.
Yep. Home to the Panama Canal.
Masjid Al-Haram.
Saudi. Let's go, Saudi. You are big. Big Saudi. We'll get on the ground. Get in the ground. I think it's a stone. What do you think this platform is made of?
I don't know, man.
Wait, is this the flag of Tanya? Tanya?
I think it's like one of the pyramid stones.
Yeah, maybe from the top. Look at the shade.
Yeah.
Maybe it's that mysterious pyramid-shaped top that has been missing.
Yeah.
Maybe. But it has been larger than turned upside down and bam, there it is.
For real.
Yeah. Well, I'm just making that up. It's Togo. Is that the flag of Togo? Yeah, let's go. Togo. Again with the creaking. Oh, great. Is it this guy again?
South America. Suriname?
Yes. Mom, stop it! What do you want? Well, I'm recording here. Bye, I guess. Wait, this. Oh, Suriname just came out. Saudi Arabia's.
Region of Africa. Gambia.
Yeah, correct. Gambia. I will believe Gambia that Slovenia won't show up. I mean, he is a country, so.
Tripoli.
Libya! Uh-oh. This might be turned into a bad situation. Whoa! Libya punched Saudi Arabia out of there. And he kicked out Uzbekistan. North Korea is just hanging there. Look at him. North Korea's like, I don't know what happened to North Korea, sadly.
What for cow?
Thailand. Well, there goes North Korea. Thailand is just sticking there for whatever reason.
Kuala Lumpur.
Malaysia? We got Taiwan's neighbor.
FR.
Yep, it does border Taiwan from the south. Let's see what you're gonna do, Malaysia. Ooh. Is there some slight shakes?
See?
How do you still shake? How do you?
Kigali.
Rwanda. How is Saudi Arabia still? Is that Saudi Arabia? I need to check. Yes, it is Saudi Arabia. How is he sticking there?
Bamako.
Maui. It's Maui time. Just pronounce that off. Why am I keep tilting him? Oh no. Oh no. I think Maui's inside of Libya. They're shaking still.
No.
Huh? Whoa! They left!
Region of North America, Dominica.
Wait, what?
Solomon,
Wait, what's the question?
North America.
Yeah, Dominica.
Hey, also.
I forgot what's the question, lol.
Okay, chill, bro.
I'm gonna create some explosions off camera. Can you drop him? Let's see if I can manage to find him. Okay, I found him, finally. Go inside Saudi Arabia, little Dominica. I think I'll count movement as explosions. Should we count movement as explosions?
No.
Alright.
Borobudur.
Indonesia! Uh-oh.
He's a big boy, right?
Yeah, he's a big boy. Yeah, he might ruin everything. He might explode. I think he even might explode the whole Egypt and turn and Libya and Sudan will might get even more coastline and Asia will connect to Africa.
Monrovia.
Liberia. We got Liberia. Looks like a baby. You know that song, huh?
Do you know that one?
Yeah. He's the one that's made by Connie Francis. Is that what's his name?
Is that her?
Her name? Her name?
Region of Africa, Estonia.
What?
Egypt.
Yes. How is Egypt still here? Damn kidding. Egypt, you can just sit over here between Indonesia and Saudi Arabia. Right over here. Yeah, here. You can sit over here. Uh-oh. Bye, Egypt. Hope you have a great time. Bahamas.
Bahamas Mamas. There's some very aggressive shaking from Indonesia right there.
Yeah. Maybe they will might go over to the right and flew off. Because I remember last time Cambodia just left with Israel. I remember. I'll show you at the end. If we are.
We'll be into